G'day, Paul Kennedy again here from Bainbridge. Here today with Chris from the Baintech factory. Chris actually builds the batteries here in Brisbane, Australian-made product. I'll get Chris to run through what is actually inside our battery. We all know what's under the bottom of our car, but we don't know what's actually inside our lithium battery. So to explain a bit more, I'll hand over to Chris. Chris?
Paul, these marine grade batteries, first of all, come with a brass terminal that's capable of 300 amps, a very solid connection to secure your electrical connections. There's a voltmeter which is driven by a momentary switch. Both of these are IP67 rated. We hit the momentary switch and on comes the voltmeter, so we don't have a parasitic load. We've also got here the ability to have an inspection port, so down the track if these batteries need looking at, there's some cables internally that get taken out and we can inspect the internals of the battery. You may notice all the fittings here, which are all stainless marine grade fittings. On the bigger batteries we've also got stainless mount points that can be used for mounting or for securing the battery in its, where you're mounting it inside the boat. Inside the battery, when it comes to the choice of the cell, there are 4 grades of cell. The cheapest is the 18650, which are like a big AA battery. And some batteries get made by getting hundreds of these and spot welding them. These aren't really fit for purpose in the marine environment where there's vibration, because those spot welds can break apart. The next grade up are the pouch type cells, which are soft and mechanically can be compromised. Then when you go into the hard cases, the cheaper ABS plastic type, and then the top of the range is the hard case aluminium type of cell. These cells are bound together using our own, built in Brisbane, designed in Brisbane, cell link board, which secures the cells into an array and also has cell connections and temperature sensors. Then the brains of the operation is the Australian-made, Australian-designed battery management system, which sits securely under the front here and before completion is coated with a special material which is called conformal coat, which keeps it waterproof as well. So Paul, built for marine.
Yep,
every
not automotive.
Not automotive, built for marine, with marine in mind, and using top shelf Australian-made components, all assembled here in Brisbane.
Bring it on. Locally made product. Thanks, Chris.